Welcome on SB Scholars Academy. If you are preparing for NT UGC NET JRF, ICR NET, SLET, TGT, PGT, TET Home Science 2020, then you can subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will be updated with every video that we are preparing for NT UGC NET JRF. We are also providing some kind of study material like previous year question bank, practice set question bank and quick revision notes that will be really helpful to gear up your प्रिपरेशन. तो आप इसके साथ भी अपना प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ द नोट्स, सो वी विल प्रोवाइड यू in the quick form of quick revision notes and the practice set questions. So for that you may contact on mail ID or may contact on WhatsApp or just a comment below in the comment section. सो बेसिकली हम फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन पे काम कर रहे हैं. दैट वी ऑलरेडी गिव some kind of the test videos on frequently asked question that is on human development, food, nutrition, clothing, textile. So today we will come up with this video that is on the subject family resource management. That will be really helpful for the examination. That is some of the expected question and that majorly asked, that is frequently asked in the NTA NET. So these are the some question that you may see and just pause the video and you may solve the question. Then you may see what will be the correct answer. So let's solve the very frequently asked question with some of the questions. So let's see how much you are prepared for the 5th November as the NTA NET already announced the date for the home science, that is 5th November. So let's see how much you are prepared and how much under the water you are. So let's start our session. Diffusion of innovation theory was proposed by. Question कह रहा है कि जो diffusion of innovation theory है वो किसके द्वारा दी गई है. Was proposed by. As some of the name is here, written is here. Avogadro, Wilbur Scrum, Aristotle, Shannon and Weaver model. Shannon and Weaver, as I already said the answer. So what is the correct answer? That which innovation theory is proposed by which type of the theorist? Aristotle, Weaver, Scrum or the Avogadro? I think you already marked the answer. That is Rogers. Basically, the Evert M. Rogers is one of the profound scientists and the theorist who innovate this diffusion of innovation theory, in which you will found there are some kind of the early adopters, innovators and all these things. So that is what is given by the Rogers, जिसमें आप थ्योरी देखते हैं जिन्होंने अर्ली अडॉप्टर्स के बारे में बात की है. एंड ही इज़ द वन हु कॉइंड दिस नेम द वर्ड अर्ली अडॉप्टर्स एंड दिस थ्योरी. सो द Rogers is the correct answer. Aristotle, Scrum and Shannon Weaver is all based on the communication model that you may see in the paper 1 and in the paper 2 in the extension part. So these are all the some of the theorists name. You may see the model, that sender, message, receiver. So you may see what the difference between all these three names. Next, come to the next question. In the managerial subsystem of systems approach to management, द सोर्सेज ऑफ डिमांड्स एंड रिसोर्सेज ऑफ इनपुट्स आर. वो कह रहे हैं एक मैनेजरल सब सिस्टम के अंदर जो हमारा सिस्टम अप्रोच का जो एक मैनेजरल सब सिस्टम होता है उसमें जो सोर्स होते हैं डिमांड्स के और जो रिसोर्सेज होते हैं इनपुट्स के वो क्या क्या हो सकते हैं. फाइन. सो यू मे सी व्हाट आर द सम ऑब्जेक्टिव्स गिवन हेयर कि इवेंट्स, माइक्रो हैबिटेट, फैमिली गोल्स, फीडबैक, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज ऑफ अ फैमिली, इवेंट्स इन अ माइक्रो हैबिटेट, डिसीजन एंड स्टैंडर्ड. सो यू मे सी विच वन ऑफ द कोड इज गिवन हेयर कि आप उसको अरेंज करिए कैसे उसका व्हाट इज़ द राइट सब सिस्टम ऑफ द पार्ट. Yes, you may do by yourself and after doing you may just pause the video and just do it by your own and then see the answer that I am revealing now. That is a correct option is C कि आप किस तरह उसको अरेंज करेंगे. So हम देख सकते हैं कि that events in the micro habitat, then we will come on to the family goals. Event जो micro habitats के अंदर होते हैं हम उनको कंसिडर करते हैं. उसके बाद जो भी हमारे फैमिली गोल्स होते हैं देन वी कैन कंसिडर सम काइंड ऑफ द गुड एंड सर्विसेज फॉर द फैमिली एंड वॉट एवर बी द इवेंट्स इन द मैक्रो हैबिटेट, इन द माइक्रो, इन द मैक्रो एंड वॉट आर द फैमिली एंड the good and services by the families. These are the some important events that are correction by the managerial subsystem of a system approach. Next, see the next question fastly. असर्शन दी हुई है, रीजनिंग दी हुई है. इस तरह से आपके पास बहुत सारे आपके क्वेश्चन देखने को मिलेंगे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ असर्शन एंड रीजनिंग. एंड फॉर दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू मस्ट सी कि जो क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है वो क्या है, उसका बेसिक्स आपको पता होना चाहिए. जैसे डिफ्यूजन ऑफ इनोवेशन is the adoption of technical and social innovation. As the assertion is saying that जो diffusion of innovation जो हमारी थ्योरी है वो किसके बारे में है, that is adoption of social and technical वेयर एज रीजनिंग कहती है हमसे कि रॉगर्स प्रेजेंटेड द कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर द डेवलपमेंट. रॉगर्स, you know the Rogers, we already discussed the question in the first question of this video. And Rogers said कि उन्होंने क्या करा है, उन्होंने कोई डिफ्यूजन ऑफ इनोवेशन नहीं दिया, उन्होंने बल्कि कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रैटेजी दी है डेवलपमेंट के लिए. नाउ यू कैन सी द रीजनिंग इज रॉन्ग and the assertion is true. So the question who have come with this objective, and the people who mark this basic, they can able to do this type of question. Okay, so let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, just mark it. Yes, you may solve it, and I'm just revealing the answer that कि assertion और reasoning की जब हम बात करते हैं तो इसमें आपको देखना होता है, दोनों को दोनों से रिलेट करना होता है कि रॉगर्स इज रिलेटेड टू डिफ्यूजन ऑफ इनोवेशन. फाइन, बट क्या इन्होंने कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रैटेजी करी है? हम कह सकते हैं येस, रॉगर्स बोथ आर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, बट एज दिस स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू द स्टेटमेंट, सो यू कैन सी द बी ऑप्शन इज correct. Next is which of the following method are used for controlling the use of income? Question is saying कि what are the some method that you can use, ways that you can use the income. So what are the some ways that you can control that used for income? So you may see there are some option is given here, and some of our objectives are here. So see what is the correct answer. यू मे डू इट, येस फास्टली यू मे डू इट. कौन कौन से मेथड होते हैं जो कि इनकम को कंट्रोल करने के लिए, यूज़ ऑफ इनकम को कंट्रोल करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं? तो आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें आपको कुछ मेंटल चेक, सेविंग, इन्वेस्टमेंट, बजटिंग, मैकेनिकल. सो आप देखिए जब हम इनकम की बात करते हैं तो कौन कौन से इंस्ट्रूमेंट हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सबसे पहले ज़रूरी होता है अपना मेंटल चेक. Then you can say evaluation of expenditure is not necessary while using of the income, so that is wrong. Next you can see a third option, saving and investment, as they are asking for the controlling that use of income. So you can see the mental check, mechanical check, and the record keeping. जब आपके पास ये तीनों चीज़ें होंगी तो you may control. So the correct option is B. See the next matching fastly, that budgeting, monitoring, auditing and reporting. So इसके आपको कुछ कुछ ये दिए हुए हैं, terms दी हुई हैं, and what are the some description of these terms. Again I am saying this is a very repetitive questions, very frequently asked question. If you like this video, you may subscribe, you may press the bell icon, you may like the video, and for updates you will be notified with the pressing the bell icon button. So you may see the description. So budgeting, what is budgeting? Budgeting, is it budgeting the gathering, allocation, improving a formal record? So guys, you may see the budgeting is that thing that you can allocating of funds. Guys, solve it after pausing the video, and then you may see the answer that what I'm defining you. So the correct option is basically B, that budgeting is what we allocate the funds for implementing of the project, how much funds we have to allocate. That we can't do in auditing, reporting and monitoring. So it is clearly statement that A का जो होगा that is second answer. So for the matching, आप देखो सब गलत कर दो अगर आप श्योर हैं इस ऑप्शन में. So you may take this B option. तो इसी तरह से आपका क्वेश्चन करेक्ट हो जाता है मैचिंग का, if you are able to do any one of the confidential answer, and you may found the hint that which one of the correct option is it. Monitoring is can be that what you analyzing, what you gathering, as we all people know what is this thing. So this is one of the thing that you may see. So the correct option is B. नेक्स्ट इज़ लाइक पाथवे चार्ट के लिए सिक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में आप अरेंज करिए दैट व्हाट आर द सम फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स ऑफ पाथवे फॉर द सिक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर. सो यू मे सी व्हाट इज़ द ऑब्जेक्टिव दैट इज़ गिवन हेयर, is given here. So you may see the correct option. जैसे इसमें पूछता है what is pathway chart, that is as we are doing the subject family resource management, and it is very important and frequently asked question. So you see कि किस तरह से class of plane, observation, nails, thread and all these things. Fine. So first of all you have to see what is pathway chart, what are the some sequential order, but the correct option is D. As you can see the arranging, when you will do, firstly as always you have to planning, then nails, threading and observing the management, then you can come for the observation, and then for improvement, and lastly you can do for the repeated task. With that whatever will be the suggestions, the correct option is The next is basically what are the some correct sequence of steps involved in controlling. So what are the some steps? जब आप controlling की बात करते हैं, it is one of the very important steps of the management. So not only controlling, all the steps of step of management like planning, organizing, controlling, reviewing, budgeting, आपको सबके सब steps करने हैं. अब यहाँ से आपको पूछा गया है controlling का. तो controlling का क्या correct steps हो सकता है, आप देखें. Yes, you may do it. You may pause the video and you may correctly you may see the answer that what I am revealing. That is the correct option is C. सबसे पहले आप obviously आप अपना जो भी performance है उसको देखेंगे, then establish करेंगे standards को, and then you come for the measuring performance against the standard. What you will analyze is and and all these things. So these are the some question that you may see the repeated in the anti-net examination. Not only this question, the question are related to with these terms. Like as I said, only यहाँ पे आपसे कंट्रोलिंग का पूछा गया है, बट आपसे किसी प्लानिंग का पूछा जा सकता है, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग का पूछा जा सकता है, एनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. सो दीज आर द सम इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट यू मे सी इन द फैमिली रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. फॉर एनी क्वेरीज यू मे comment us and you may mail us, you may WhatsApp us, any way, any on the Telegram, on the Instagram, wherever you feel comfortable. You may drop a text on that social site. So thank you so much for watching our video and keep asking and stay safe, stay healthy. All the best for your anti-net preparation. As already we have a lesser time now that the examination has already been fixed on 5th November. So guys, just keep increasing your preparation so that the anti-net will be in your hand, and this is the winning strategies for both of us. So please keep preparing, keep asking, and keep just preparing, as it is a very peak time for you people. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you so much, guys.